Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, today I have chosen a topic of your English book, which we have already discussed in earlier classes. Long Walk to Freedom. This is basically about you have already came to know that the topic is related to the practice of apartheid, which was prevailing in South Africa. Discrimination was with the black people of South Africa prevailing there. They were not given the equal rights as the whites enjoyed. But later on, a man, Nelson Mandela, who became the president of South Africa later on, he fought against this apartheid, this bad practice, this discrimination, and he suffered a lot, and later on he overturned this bad practice, and he conquered. He got win over this, and we will see what happened. The day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. The 10th of May, which they are celebrating, the world leaders have come to attend this function. And Nelson Mandela is saying that the day has come. It has come with that thousands of people have given their sacrifices. हज़ारों की तादाद में लोगों ने कुर्बानियाँ दी है. It's an unimaginable sacrifice. Unimaginable means unbelievable, जिसमें यकीन ही नहीं आएगा. इतने लोगों ने sacrifice दिया, तब आज हम ये दिन जो है मना रहे हैं. People whose sufferings and courage can never be counted or repaid. Those were the people who have sacrificed for this day. Their sufferings and courage, उनकी जो suffering है, feeling of pain है या bravery है, that cannot be counted, उसको हम गिन नहीं सकते हैं, और repaid, और उसको हम repay भी नहीं कर सकते, उसकी कीमत भी हम अदा नहीं कर सकते हैं. I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots. So when the day they are celebrating this day, he says that it is the day for those African patriots. Patriots means one who loves his country, who had gone before me, who had gone. Now they are actually they are not seeing the day, but they have sacrificed a lot. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them. Nelson Mandela says that he is pained, he is grieved, he is anguished that he is not in a position to thank those great personalities who have suffered a lot, who have sacrificed a lot, and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. And it is very unfortunate that those people who have suffered a lot, who have sacrificed for this day, and they are not seeing this day with their naked eyes. It is a very unfortunate, and what their courage, what their long-lasting courage, what their bravery had brought means done, achieved. They are not seeing this. It is a very unfortunate. He is pained for that. Nelson Mandela is pained for that. The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. Dr. Nelson Mandela says that the policy of apartheid, this discrimination, ये जो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग apartheid साउथ अफ्रीका के अंदर चल रहा था, ब्लैक्स के साथ नाइंसाफ़ी हो रही थी, उनको ड्यू उनके राइट्स नहीं दिए जाते थे. That has created, and this apartheid, it has created a lasting, continuing wound, deep, एक गहरा और lasting, continuing जख्म दिया है इसने मेरे कंट्री को, and his people also, and his all of us will spend many years. All of us, he says that we will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt, but it will take a very long time to come out of these profound hurt, to come out of these ये जो डीप हर्ट हुआ है, जख्म लगा है हमें, इससे रिकवर होने के लिए बहुत ही मुद्दत, it will take much of time, generations, but the decades of profound oppression and brutality had another unintended deep and strong effect, and that was what produced the Oliver Thompson. But these decades of profound oppression, ये जो हमारे साथ जुल्म हुआ, ऑपरेशन हुआ, एंड ब्रूटलिटी और क्रिविलिटी हमारे साथ हुई, it had another unintentional deep and strong effect. इसका दूसरा भी एक गहरा असर है हमारे ऊपर, वो that was what produced the Oliver. और वो इफेक्ट क्या था, इससे हमें हमारे सामने बहुत बड़ी शख्सियत, इसने हमारे मुल्क के अंदर बहुत बड़ी शख्सियत को पैदा किया. It has produced the Oliver Thompson, the Walter Sisulu, the Chief Lithulis, the Yusuf Dudus, and Brim Preacher, the Robert Sobokwas of our times, men of such extraordinary courage. These were the great personalities. They were having the extraordinary courage, uncommon courage, wisdom, and generosity. And they were also generous persons. They were very kind persons, that their like may never be known again, and they will not be. He is thinking that those persons will not come again. Perhaps it requires such depths of oppression to create such heights of character. He says that if we want to have the persons like them, it requires depth of oppression. यानी इसके जब जुल्म बढ़ जाता है, उसी जुल्म के बढ़ने से ही ऐसी शख्सियत हमारे सामने मतलब आगे आ जाते हैं. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lies beneath its soil. Nelson Mandela says that his country, means South Africa, it is a very rich country as far as the minerals and gems are concerned, valuable stones are concerned. It's these valuable stones, these gems, diamonds are lying under their soil. But I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people. But Nelson Mandela says that though our country is rich as far as minerals and gems are concerned, but my greatest wealth is his people. His greatest wealth is his people. मेरी जो सबसे बड़ी दौलत है वो मेरे लोग हैं. Finer and truer, they are very finer and truer, they are very much true than the purest diamonds. My people are finer and truer than the purest diamonds. Diamond से भी ज़्यादा मेरे लोग जो है, उससे भी ज़्यादा कीमती है मेरे लोग. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. Dr. Nelson Mandela says that those comrades, those close friends, they taught me what actually the courage means. We were struggling, we were fighting neck to neck, we were fighting with the support. He fighted with the support of these great personalities, and they taught him what actually the courage means time and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. Nelson Mandela says that he has time and again seen, he has often seen men or women, they are giving their best uh, for the idea. That idea was the abolition of this apartheid which was prevailing in South Africa. I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking, showing strength and resilience that defies the imagination. नेल्सन मंडेला says that मैंने वो ऐसे भी आदमी देखे हैं जो अटैक्स को भी बर्दाश्त करते हैं, टॉर्चर को बर्दाश्त करते हैं और स्ट्रेंथ दिखाते हैं, रेजिलेंस दिखाते हैं, बोल्डली फेस करते हैं हर एक चीज़ को, दैट डिफाइज द इमेजिनेशन, जो डिसोबे करता है इमेजिनेशन को. आई लर्नर दैट करेज वॉज नॉट द एब्सेंस ऑफ फियर. ही सेज दैट courage was not the absence of fear. यानी हिम्मत जो है, there was also fear. Though my persons, though we were courageous, but there was a fear, but the truth over it. But what actually we got win over these fears. He says that they got win over these fears. Truth means win, a victory. They got victory over these fears. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. We can say that the brave man is not that person who is not feeling afraid. बहादुर वो आदमी वो नहीं है कि जो डरेगा नहीं, but who conquers that fear. But if we are having a fear, we must conquer it, we must win it, we must overcome it. So no one. So I think this is sufficient for today. We have discussed a paragraph here because it takes much of time to upload a video that is of 20 or 15 minutes, above 15 minutes. So I think this is sufficient for today. Have a look on these words. You can write these words and get the meaning of these words. Inshallah we will discuss the whole lesson tomorrow, inshallah. Have a nice day. Thank you.